Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today we are going to be making Indo-Chinese dish. It's a starter. We're going to make some chili chicken. Okay, let's go see. It's very easy, very simple. It's only few things goes in there, so it's very easy to make it. So let's go start making this chili chicken. Okay, and first we're going to go ahead and marinate the chicken. I have one chicken breast. I cut it in small pieces like this. You can use, if you want, chicken leg and make little pieces without the bones. And then we're going to add some ingredients in there. First we're going to marinate this. So we have half a spoon of salt, half a spoon of black pepper. Then we're going to put 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and we are going to add some sesame seed oil in there. Always Chinese food tastes very good with the sesame seed oil. Then I just have to mix this and keep it to marinate, and we're going to go to second step. Okay, so already smells with the sesame seed oil. It smells so good. Already smells like a Chinese food. Okay, I'm gonna let it marinate this one, and we're gonna go to next step. Okay, we got some vegetables over here. We're gonna make like a chunky pieces, big square pieces. So I'm gonna take half of the green bell pepper first, and clean up this nice rabbit side seeds. Okay. Oops. Like this kind of pieces, square pieces like this. Okay, like that. And now the red bell pepper, we are going to take half of it. Do the same thing. Now the seeds. Okay, for all the bell pepper, red bell pepper and green bell pepper. If you have different color bell peppers, you can even add that, but I'm going to be using that many. And for the pepper, you're going to make few pieces like that, like cut it slant. Okay, and for the onion, we take half of it. I don't need the whole thing, I'm going to take only half. This is a piece. Okay, we'll just do this, go around, cut them into the pieces like this. Okay, and we're going to undo all these pieces, separate them like this. Okay, so our vegetables are ready. We're gonna go ahead and make a sauce. Okay guys, our vegetables are chopped. Now we are gonna second marination to the chicken. We marinated already chicken, and we're gonna add few more things in there. 1 egg. We'll add 1 egg. And I have 2 teaspoons of maida, all-purpose flour, and 1 spoon of cornstarch. And then we are going to add some rice vinegar. I have a rice vinegar. You can add any vinegar, white vinegar. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon full of it, vinegar. Okay, and we'll mix all these things together properly. until this. Do not add any water, and your chicken will not going to be crispy and crunchy. It's lightly coated with the flour. It's not like too much flour, like we are not making a fried chicken, but we're going to be making chili chicken. So we have a little bit slightly coated this. That's all we needed, okay? Okay, let's go fry the chicken first, then we're gonna make a sauce. Okay, we're gonna make some sauce. To make sauce, we need soya sauce. I'm gonna take 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce. Don't put too much because it's gonna be salty. And 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Okay, and 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. Chili sauce. Chili chicken, it has to be hot. Okay, just mix it like this. And we're gonna add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit. I don't like too much sugar in there. We already have ketchup. And then we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Sour sauce. A little bit of black pepper. Okay, that's it. And our sauce is ready. Oh no, wait. I have to add some cornstarch. One spoon of cornstarch to make it thicker. Okay, make sauce thicker. We're gonna add some cornstarch, and that's it. It's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and start frying chicken now. Okay guys, our oil is hot. We are going to fry chicken now. Let's see, the oil is coming the bubbles now. Making the bubbles. See? So we can fry the chicken. So put one piece at a time. Right. Okay. Okay. We put one piece at a time. It will cook faster because the pieces are small, and also this is a chicken breast. Chicken breast cooks very fast. It won't take too long to cook. Okay friends, our chicken is ready. You do not want to make it too brown, so this is fine. Ooh, let's see. This is crispy. Okay, this is the time to complete the dish now. Last step. So put 2 spoons of oil in there. Okay, this is hot. I have 4 cloves of garlic chopped, and I have little 1/2 inch of piece of ginger grated. So I'm gonna put that in there. but we're not gonna fry until it gets brown. We're just gonna fry a little bit, and then we're gonna add 2-3 red whole pepper. See, until it gets brown. I'm not doing it now. Rest, I'm gonna add all the vegetables in there, onions and bell pepper. We're gonna fry for a few minutes. We're going to cook on very high flame. The vegetables will get softer. Now I'm going to add all this sauce, what we made it. Ketchup, soya sauce, and all these sauces in here. And we're going to cook for a little while. It's on very high flame. Now I'm going to add the chicken, fried chicken in there. Can you even eat this chicken just like that? Popcorn chicken. Chicken nuggets. Stuck to the paper towel. Okay. It's so yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay friends, our chili chicken is ready. It's a starter. It's a dry dish and it looks so nice, yummy. Our chili chicken is ready. You can put a little bit of chopped green onion. Looks yummy. I like a lot of green onions, so I'm gonna put the whole thing. Okay. Okay, if you like my videos, please click like, share and subscribe. There's a lot more videos to come. If you all like to learn something else, please let me know what you want to learn, so I'll make it for you. Okay, bye, see you next video.